Today I'm cleaning this coconut, clean the kaya off, because I'm going to do a black. I'm cracking this coconut. Hold on, this coconut. When you're cracking something, cracking the egg open, you gotta really get a good pound. And the force, keep pounding it around, until you get it release. When there's water in it, round like a ball, so you keep going round. I don't waste my coconut water. Keep going around here, release, and there goes water. So I'm gonna save my coconut water. See? You don't want the water to release. Give it a little cracks of fat, but I'm gonna crack it wide open. I'm here to crack it wide open. See, I'll put them in the water. And I'm going to taste my coconut water. My choosing says good. Yeah, crack it still. I still have some more water. We'll leave it on that. So I get a big glass of water from it. And then this coconut. When doing this one live, so I'm going to crack coconut wide open. Crack the coconut. Just crack that little nut. Crack the nut wide open. I'm going to get a knife. You know, get this part of it. Once you crack it open, just in the blood, you crack it open. And when you crack it open, you put the knife under the two pieces of it. And give it a little force. There goes coconut. To have and to hold. There goes coconut. There goes coconut. Some people put the coconut itself on the flame, and the flame also, I don't want the alarm to go off. The flame also get it released from the shell, get the meat released from the shell. You have to get a bit skilled doing this, because sometimes it slip and all these marks are from doing coconut. So you can pick it up in the store, because I tell you, coconut is not as easy if you're not used to it to get it on. I have a blog I did in Jamaica, getting it from that big ox. There's somebody to get it for me. And see the difference. I'm gonna wash this part and do whatever this gonna turn into the milk. And when I'm turning this into the milk, I make you know today. I'm just doing a quick thing just to make you see how I get it from that to that. Okay. Then cheers to my coconut water. And then I have my little meat. Nice and sweet.